Again, lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Pull it and stretch. Pull and stretch. Pull and stretch. Yeah. Now do it to the other side. To the other side. You all doing it to the other side now, right? So inhale there. Lift your arms and exhale. Those who feel they're losing the balance, grab the railing.
Watch it here. ऐसे थाली Hello and namaste everyone. Here I'm going to take you for a quick tour for our yoga center in Pokhara, Nepal. Here is the gate and we are going inside to see what's going on. This is the reception area. The straight to go yoga sala. This is the accommodation, the garden. So you can see there's a class is going on. I'll take you. Here's the accommodation. Hello and good morning everyone. I want you to see and experience the beauty of Pokhara from the rooftop of Mantra Yoga Meditation Center. You can see the World Peace Pagoda is hiding now in fog. Here is the lake, a bit you can see, and then the mesmerizing view of the mountain of Annapurna Circuit Range. Here we start. You can see that the snow-capped range of mountain. And here the sun will come in some time. Hope you have a great day. Enjoy your day with a lot of wisdom. Thank you very much for watching. Hello and good morning everyone. Today we are at the rooftop of Mantra Yoga Meditation School Nepal, and what you can see, the green peace pagoda. Here you see that the stupa where people go and experience the peace. Now you see the entire surrounding from the school rooftop. You can see the lake, and next to the surrounding, in this area of the mountain known as Sarangkot, where people go for paragliding, and you can see back there is a mountain which is snow-capped, and look at the surrounding here. It's all Himalayan Annapurna range, which you can see. It's all a snow-capped mountain, and here experience the beauty of the sun city, the sun. So you have the one of the best surrounding from the school, and here you enjoy the yoga, meditation, and the best experience of the scenic city, which have mountain, lake, peace, and love for each and everyone. Namaste and thank you for watching.
Take two more deep breaths before we get into the next beat. Are you ready? Take a long deep breath. Inhale. Hold it and exhale. One more time. Inhale. Hold it and exhale. Devi Temple.